New genetic analyses of wild baboons in southern Kenya reveals that most of them carry traces of hybridization in their DNA. As a result of interbreeding, about a third of their genetic makeup consists of genes from another, closely related species. The study took place in a region near Kenya's Amboseli National Park, where yellow baboons occasionally meet and intermix with their anubis baboon neighbors that live to the northwest. Researchers have monitored these animals on a near-daily basis since 1971, noting when they mated with outsiders and how the resulting offspring fared over their lifetimes as part of the Amboseli Baboon Research Project, one of the longest-running field studies of wild primates in the world. 50 years of observations turned up no obvious signs that hybrids fare any worse than their counterparts. Some even fare better than expected. Baboons that carry more anubis DNA in their genome mature faster and form stronger social bonds, and males are more successful at winning mates. The research sheds light on how the diversity of species on Earth is maintained even when the genetic lines between species are blurry, said Duke University professor Jenny Tung, who led the project with her doctoral students Taurus Vilgalis and Ariel Fogel. Even modern humans carry around a mix of genes from now extinct relatives. The researchers wanted to understand the possible costs and benefits of this genetic mixing in primates, including humans. The researchers analyzed the genomes of some 440 Amboseli baboons spanning 9 generations, looking for bits of DNA that may have been inherited from anubis immigrants. They found that all baboons in the Amboseli Basin of southern Kenya today are a mix, with anubis DNA making up about 37% of their genomes on average. During that time, the data show that certain bits of anubis DNA came at a cost for the hybrids who inherited them, affecting their survival and reproduction in such a way that these genes are less likely to show up in their descendants' genomes today, said Vilgalis, now a postdoctoral scholar at the. Their results are in line with genetic research in humans, which suggests that our early ancestors paid a price for hybridizing too. But exactly what Neanderthal and Denisovan genes did to cause them harm has been hard to tease out of the limited fossil and DNA evidence that's available. The researchers say that the baboons at Amboseli offer clues to the costs of the hybridization. Using RNA sequencing to measure gene activity in the baboons' blood cells, the researchers found that natural selection is more likely to weed out bits of borrowed DNA that act as switches, turning other genes on and off. The next step, Fogel said, is to pin down more precisely what is ultimately affecting these hybrid baboons' ability to survive and reproduce. Genomic data allows researchers to look back many more generations and study historical processes that can't be seen directly in the field, Vilgalis said. But you need to look at the animals themselves to understand what genetic changes actually mean, Tung said. You need both fieldwork and genetics to get the whole story. We're not saying this is what Neanderthal and Denisovan's genes did in humans, added Tung, now at the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Germany. Materials provided by Duke University. Original written by Robin A. Smith. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Selection against admixture and gene regulatory divergence in a long-term primate field study. Science, 2022. 377. 6606, 635 doi, 10. 1126, Science. ABM 4917 Duke University. 2022, August 4. These baboons borrowed a third of their genes from their cousins. Science Daily. Retrieved August 4, 2022 from ift.tt/JPQ9MW Duke University. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.